never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never doubt anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Wanna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams into modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead of say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Ganteng banget.
Acara.
Ya.
Sudah. Ibuku baru buka makanan depan kontrakan. Ya, emang masih kecil-kecilan sih.
Gak apa-apa. Emang awalnya kecil, tapi juga lama-lama gede. Semoga lagi ya, Dad.
Amin, ya Allah.
Waduh. Ngomong-ngomong, apa udah ada yang beli, Mbok?
Maaf Pak Sabeni, belum.
Iya, saya maafin. Gimana kalau orang yang pertama, saya yang beli?
Maaf, boleh. Mau pakai apa, Pak?
Pakai piring sama sendok, Mbok. Telur boleh. Capcay. Mbok. Bayarnya potong aja, Po, sama uang kontrakan si Depi,
Maaf, Pak.
Iya, saya maafin.
Kata orang yang namanya penglaris tuh nggak boleh ngutang. Soalnya nanti bakal banyak yang diutangin.
Mbok kan hari pertama jualan, ya kan? Biar penglaris, hari pertama jualan harus kasih ke kita gratis.
Iya, bener tuh kata bini gue.
Iya deh, boleh. Khusus buat Pak Sabeni sama Bu Saripah, gratis. Ya, hitung-hitung buat sedekah.
Iya.
Yatim, Mbak.
Ya apa-apa. Emang kan gue yatim. Cang. Iya.
Ya, halo?
Gimana Mbok, warungnya udah buka?
Sudah, ini Mbok sudah di depan warung.
Gimana, udah banyak pembelinya Mbok?
Alhamdulillah udah ada yang makan, tapi masih cuma-cuma.
Cuma-cuma gimana toh Mbok?
Maaf, maksudnya sudah ada yang makan, tapi ndak bayar gitu loh.
Oh, maksudnya gratis.
Ya,
Ya udah, selamat berdagang ya Mbok ya.
ya, makasih ya.
Tenang aja Mbok, saya promosiin. Bapak-bapak, ibu-ibu, encang-encing, nyak babe. Mulai nih hari warung Mbok udah buka.
Warga-warga, ayo semuanya kumpul.
Ayo.
Warung Mbok udah buka, makanannya enak, lezat, bergizi, penuh vitamin.
Dijamin halal.
Kok ngangkat telepon aja mesti ngejauh gitu sih?
Halo Mas Devi, jadi daftar ojek online sekarang nggak?
Jangan sekarang. Nanti aja pas pulang kerja.
Oh ya udah deh, aku tunggu ya Mas ya.
Yes.
Bukan dari siapa?
Oh, Fahri.
Fahri. Masa sih? Jauh banget teleponannya.
Udah bohong sumpah. Udah percaya? Tak telepon ya.
Yaudah iya percaya. Masuk dulu ya. Syah. Bareng Devi.
Jangan kenceng.
Tapi iya kan bareng Devi? Iya. Gimana sih Kak? Katanya mau diem-diem, tapi sekarang malah open. Sengaja mau bikin semua orang tahu. Ntar aja jelasannya. Babita. Baju couple kita lucu kan?
Lihat dong. Keren gak kita? Couple cuy.
Biarkan aku memilihmu. Biarkan kamu memilihku. You and me forever and ever. You and me.
Devi.
Ditanyain tuh. Kalau bengong?
Kok bengong?
Enggak, itu senyum-senyum.
Ih, Babita. Pasti iri ya ngeliat kita pada pakai baju kapal. Makanya suruh aja tuh Mas Devi kapelan bajunya. Oh iya, Popi lupa. Mas Devi sama Mbak Bita kan gak pacaran ya, jadi gak bisa pakai baju kapal. Popi, kalau Popi salah maafkanlah. Udah sana cepetan, kalian balik kerja. Sini juga nih, balik ke kantor. Pergi nggak?
Selamat pagi Mbak Rania.
Pagi.
Wah, tiap pagi makin cantik aja nih. Makanannya apa sih ya?
Makasih Pak.
Maaf ya.
Pagi Pak.
Pagi.
Hai Dev.
Lah, giliran sama Mas Devi. Semangat banget giliran sama saya. males-malesan.
Pak Kiki sih nggak ganteng kayak Devi.
Saya
Dengar, ganteng-ganteng ada Pak Kiki kan.
Dev, jaket kamu bagus deh, baru beli ya?
Oh, iya. Dibeliin pacarku.